Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify. Today, I'll show you how to quickly find penny stocks on eToro using your mobile app. Let's dive right in. First, open the eToro app and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on the Discover button at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Stocks in the top bar. Then, tap on Trending Stocks on eToro. This will show you all available stocks on eToro. Next, tap the filter icon on the top right corner of the screen. A menu will pop up with filter options. In the filter menu, tap on price and set the maximum price to the lowest possible price. This is the typical threshold for penny stocks. Once set, hit apply. Now, you will see a list of stocks that fall within your price range. Scroll through to explore your options. You can tap on any stock to view its details, including charts and financial data. If you find a penny stock you like, tap the star icon to add it to your watch list for easy access later. And that's it. Finding penny stocks on eToro is that simple. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Financify for more quick investment tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.